Say hi, Pap Pap. Yeah, is that funny? Does a Pap Pap feed you? You're turning. Are you gonna make us have a show just because I turned the camera on?
Here.
You little ham.
Here. Here.
Mom turned the camera on. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi. I want some.
We'll take you to the car wash when we're done, okay? We'll take you to the car wash. Yeah. Is that good, honey? You want to go through the car wash? You want to go through the car wash?
She's not getting nothing off of her spoon.
There you go. Wrong spoon. Wrong spoon.
Here, want me to take the spoon off of her? Look at this.
Is it good?
She knows when she's on camera, huh?
Is it good?
Here, honey. Oh. No, don't put your hands in. Don't put your hands in.
She says, but I have to feel it. I have to fully experience it.
Yum.
Okay, get them hands out of there. We got to clean this mess up here. We got to clean this mess up here. We got to clean this mess up.
Do you want to come to my house and do this every day? Gee, and I can't wait till it's 3 times a day.
Here, honey. That's good, huh? Is that good? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get that thumb out of there.
Oh, she's sucking her thumb.
Get that thumb out. Here, let's try this. Hey, there. Hey, hey, you camera bug, you.
Here, you hold this.
Oh. No loud singing. No loud singing.
Oh, see, so raspberry you, so I hope you're wearing old clothes. You swab
There.
her down?
Here, man.
Yeah, I usually swab her down when it really starts gunking up in front
Here,
of her
here's
nose.
your rag. You hold that rag.
Here, grab it.
Let's eat the rag now.
No rag, huh? Uh-oh.
Oh, I just picture somebody trying to feed 3 or 4 kids.
Here.
How about Octomom?
Huh?
Octomom?
What's that?
You know, the woman who had 8 kids, who has 8 kids.
Oh my goodness, well she had help.
I can't even imagine having twins.
Yeah, that'd be too much work.
No offense, honey bunny, but you're one's enough.
Is he coming out fast enough for you?